that in a moment. The chipset, as you can see, is Exynos 7904, which is same as M20, so don't expect an improvement in performance compared to that phone. But you get 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage on the base variant, and there will be a 128GB variant as well, but of course it will be more expensive in comparison. Anyways, let's pull out the phone and take a look at the box contents. At the first, you get a box that has a quick start guide that tells you how to set up the smartphone and how to use charging and everything. I think you don't need that. Then there's a warranty card that gives you the warranty information, and that is it. Next, we have the phone itself. Let me keep it aside and let's take a look at the box contents first. The charger, as you can see, has a 9V 1.67 ampere of output, which turns out to be a 15-watt adapter. It's not really very fast charging like the OnePlus's dash charging, but it is much better than regular 10-watt or 5-watt adapters you get in the budget segment, although many phones nowadays are coming with fast charging. Next, you get a Type-C USB cable. So charging is done over Type-C USB, but as you can see, the cable is not very long. Lastly, you have a SIM ejector tool. So let's quickly use it to pull out the SIM tray and take a look at the phone's design. So the M30 has a slight difference in the gradient finish at the back. You get a dual tone finish compared to the M20 that had a single color available with it. Also, you can see it looks more finished and polished compared to the M20, which did not look very appealing, although the material used is very similar in both the smartphones. We'll compare them again, but let's quickly take a look at the M30's design features. You get a headphone jack, a Type-C USB port, a primary microphone and speaker at the bottom. On the right, you get the volume rocker and the lock button, which is perfectly accessible when you're using the phone with one hand. Then on the left, you get the SIM tray. Let me pull it out and take a look at the slots you get with the phone. So it's again a triple slot tray that allows you to expand the storage and add 2 SIM cards simultaneously. And at the top, you get the secondary microphone as well for noise cancellation, which was available with M20 as well. At the back side, you get the fingerprint scanner and a triple camera setup, which includes a normal primary camera, a depth sensor and a wide angle camera. There is also a single LED flash put below the camera modules. So M30 is all set, and as you can see, the display on the device is pretty nice. It's quite an amazing Super AMOLED panel with full HD plus resolution, and the screen size is 6.4 inches as you just saw in the specifications. Now there is one good thing to note about this smartphone is the fact that it comes with a 16 megapixel front camera, while it's half, that is 8 megapixel on the M20. So that is also a big